What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're gonna talk about where have I been. First off, I want to thank everybody that has reached out to me. I even had, apparently, somebody had called a friend of mine who owns a car shop that I did a video with, and they were looking for me. So when I got that phone call from him, I was like pleasantly surprised. It's like, wow, like you guys care about me. That's really cool. That's actually pretty touching. And I apologize. I've ghosted you guys for a year, and that's ridiculous. I know. I know it's ridiculous. And I've got reasons. I don't know if they're all good reasons. I guess, you know, they're reasons for me. They're my reasons. The simple short version of it is my spirits have been like pretty much crushed, I guess, since like the whole, I don't know if I can even say it on YouTube. Everything is so censored now. The pandemic, I don't know why I did quotes. So when everything started happening, it started coming to the U.S. You know, everything was kind of like very surreal. Like, is this really happening? We were watching the numbers going up. Now they've reached an incredible high number of people that have been infected, people that have died. I think the last I looked, it was like 2.6 million people had died from this. Mind-blowing. You know, heart-crushing, really. And a lot of it could have been prevented. I'm not going to go into all that. I told myself I wasn't going to go into that, so I'm not going to. But so basically, when all this started, and I'll kind of go through the timeline a little bit. You know, we thought, hey, all right, well, there's like no masks available for people, so. You know, me and Valerie, we got together, and she loves doing crafting stuff and sewing, and she likes making things, and so I was like, hey, why don't we make some masks? So we got a template, and we spent a couple of months making hundreds of masks and just giving them away to any doctors or cops. Eventually, anybody that would actually take them. You know, we were making a lot of masks, so much to where I actually made I made a device that was basically, it was just a box. I snapped a chopstick in half to hold the wheels of ribbon to help me cut the ribbon, because there was so much ribbon to cut. I was like, I gotta make this process better. So we made a lot, and it took a lot of our time, but you know, my focus just totally vanished when it came to this channel. And I know that's like YouTube suicide, right? Crazily, and I don't know how, but you know, throughout that time, the channel still kind of continued to grow. First of all, hold on, let me backtrack, hold on. We hit 100,000 subscribers. By far, I never thought that would ever happen, me starting any channel of any kind. I never thought hitting 100,000 subscribers would ever come true. So, I mean, amazing, and that's all you guys, all of you, that's you. That's not even me, that's you. That's so awesome, so I appreciate that. But I do want to mention something. 97.8% of viewers are not subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. I'm going to start making it a habit, actually, reminding all the non-subscribers to hit that subscribe button, because wow, you know, that's a lot of people that watch the videos and just don't subscribe. Anyway, so that happened, 100,000 subscribers, awesome. So I guess that means I should get some sort of plaque eventually. I haven't had any kind of emails or anything. For those who don't know, most of, well, I wouldn't say most, but a lot of what I do is emails, and I've got like 2,000 emails I've got to catch up on. So I've been doing that ever so gradually since putting out that little teaser trailer for you guys. I'm glad you liked it. Your guys' feedback on that was awesome. I couldn't believe it. I was getting comments from people that I know like, oh my God, you got such an awesome community there. It's so nice. And like, I know, this is weird. Like, I thought, honestly, y'all would be like, and you're back, and who? So that, so that was really cool. Really appreciate that. That's so awesome, you guys. So I definitely felt the love. For those who were trying to reach out to me directly, some even through email and through Instant Messenger and stuff, you know, I got to a point where I guess it was happening in a lot of different places. A lot of YouTubers or a lot of content creators were just like, you know what, I'm taking Twitter off my phone, I'm taking Instagram. I never took them off my phone, but I shut off notifications. You know, I just needed, I guess I needed some silence, you know? And I guess to me, it's just, I don't know. my spirits were down. I basically just disconnected from social media, you know? It wasn't really intentional in the beginning. I was just kind of like, hey, what's going on with the world right now? Let me process what's going on. And then that kind of turned into like, isolation, really, some parts kind of depression. Yeah, I mean, I've suffered with that a few times in my life, and I grew to call it situational sadness. I don't know, it kind of made me just want to go into hibernation and just be like, oh, wake me up when it's done. I spent some time, I did a lot of like little photography, typically just outside my back door, not really going many places, but the skies in Texas are beautiful, so here's a short little collage of some beautiful pictures that I took. Oh, I had a huge bee swarm in the backyard. That was so much fun. I won. It took a little while. I've never had to fight a swarm of bees before, but I handled it, I took care of that business. On a plus side, we've gotten, my culinary skills have gotten even better, so we've been doing lots of cooking. Lots and lots of cooking, which is great because we're saving money, not eating out all the time, and so we've been eating a lot more healthy. Some things not so healthy, but all natural and cooked at home. What else? Oh, I taught Mocha a new trick. She can recycle now. She recycles our bottles. So when we're done with a bottle of water, you just give her the bottle and she'll take it over to the recycling bin and plop it in the recycling bin. So that's really cool. That was a fun trick to teach her. I lost a couple very close, I want to say people. One of them is a person. My best friend in high school. I used to live in Tennessee when I went to high school, and Gary Hunley, he died. He didn't die of the pandemic. He died from an overdose. But I got that news, and that was pretty heartbreaking. He was my age, way too young. So my heart goes out to his family, and I know that was a tough time. That happened a couple of months ago. Yeah, anyway. So, also my cat Shadow. I've had him for about 17 years, and yeah, I woke up one morning and his food bowl was empty, and he was just laying there, comfortable, laying on his pillow like he always does, Mr. Lazy McGee, always comfortable, and he didn't wake up. That was hard. Surprisingly, that was really hard on me. I knew it was coming. Actually, I was expecting it for a couple of years now, just because of how old he was, but it didn't really seem that old. Like, he never really fell apart. He never got really sick or anything like that. So, my biggest thing was that, I think that kind of broke my heart. I cried a lot. I cried a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Me and him went through a lot of life together. So, my biggest thing that kind of tore me up is that, he went by himself, in the middle of the night. But I don't want to think like that. That sucks. Many years he was with me. So anyway, sorry, I didn't mean to make this such a downer. You gotta move forward, you gotta do what you can, keep going. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep moving forward, and yeah, thanks a lot, everybody, for all the awesome, amazing support. That's honestly kind of unbelievable. All the support that you guys sent my way, it's really awesome. Those who have reached out to me, I'm glad to see you all are healthy, and everybody who's watching this, love one another. There's a lot of chaos, there's a lot of hate in the world, there's a lot of love in the world. You just gotta recognize it. I hope everybody and their families are doing well. Take care of each other, look out for each other. Yeah. So, picking up basically exactly where I left off, if you guys will have me. So, I would love to continue this, and here's to 2021. All right, well, so that's pretty much it. I mean, that's kind of, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Kind of anticlimactic, I guess. I hate to disappoint you guys and leave you hanging the way I did, so I do apologize, and I hope you guys can forgive me. And yeah, let's just get this 2021 on the road. Let's get going. So I gotta go get to work. I mean, I got products to check out, and research to do, and emails to write and stuff. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video, which I'm hoping will be pretty soon, within a week, I would say. You know, like I said, I gotta get things built back up. Everything's gonna, you know, the train's gotta get moving again. All right, well, so I will see you guys in the next video, but as for now, get out of here. Oh boy, uh-oh. I lost my studio feet. Oh! Where do I look? Let me get out my notes. Let me get my notes.
Yo boy, sea shanty!
Where have I been? Honestly, I haven't been anywhere. I've been right here, so get out of here. So yeah, I've got some, so,
The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds knew of her bell.
Shake test? That's all I got, because I got no earbuds. I've never had to fight a swarm of bees before, but I handled it, you know? I took care of that business. I took care of that beesness. So yeah, let's just shake off all the negativity in the world, everything that's been building up for the whole year. Let's just shake it off. Okay. Okay. I want to, man, that's like a whole year of stuff just kind of down into like 5 minutes of talking. How long was that? Oh, 22? Oh, okay. Yeah, so I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. And camera's right there. I'm up there, camera's right there. If I'm looking like this, I'm looking at me. I should be looking at you. How does this work again? I'm also right there in the little thing, right? And yeah. How do I end this? Right.